I'm gonna tell y'all something about these old Trangia stoves. They're as good as they get. Now, I have a couple of more different kinds. But you know, it's got the simmer ring. Got your cap with your seal with your O-ring in it. Alright? That's an old Trangia. That's heavy. It's an old heavy one. That's made, that's Octoon. Let's see what it's got on the front here. Let me read this. I'll spell it for you. Octoon, which would be spelt A-C-H-T-U-N-G. H-E-R-B, whatever the hell that means in German. I have no idea. Swiss or whatever it is. Octoon, Octoon, I'm not sure what. Stop, look, I don't know. Hot. Be careful. I don't know what it means. That's your twist on top with the O-ring. That's your old Trangia, baby. Real deal. Great little stove. Been copied many times. I mean, hell, I don't care if it's a copy of it, but I mean, it's not going to be as heavy. That's the problem. I mean, that weight makes a difference. I don't know why. But you can put damn near 4 ounces in here. I'll put 3 in here. I think I can put 3.5 and still not be running over. And I forgot what my burn was. Damn near 13.5 minutes. On 3.5 ounces. 3 ounces. So, and that's measured ounces. I measured them. Actually, it's a little bit more because it's 30 milliliters. I think it's 28 point something milliliters to the ounce. So you could say it was a little bit more than an ounce. Than 3.5 ounces, but it was close. Drop her in that old silver fire, baby, and center her up and light her off, and you good. All you need is a windscreen, and I got that. But I mean, that's that old Trangia, man. I can't vote for a better stove, really. I mean, that's a nice stove. I got one more I like as much as this, but this stove here it just has a capacity to where you're not really playing around with some little old dinky ass stove. This something gets to the point quick, y'all. You can't beat it. I'm a Trangia kind of guy. Especially with the old simmer ring. We're good. The old heavy ones. The old heavy Trangias like that. The heavy ones. These new ones, these copies, they're light. But hey, they work. I'm sure they work just as good. They're about the same damn thing. Now, I've never bought one to see if they got the baffle in it like these do. Y'all don't understand what I'm talking about a baffle, do you? This is the baffle right here. You got a baffle in there. It's hard to see. But it is, and it runs down. It runs down in this rascal about 3/8 of an inch off the bottom. And what that allows you to do is fill it up without you don't get the heat, you don't get the dissipation you do in a wide one. You get a bigger burn, but you don't get a longer burn. You don't need a bigger burn. Especially with denatured alcohol, it's a lot harder. You put a little white gas in there and mix it up, man, it get even hotter than that. You just got to be careful. But know what you're doing. And I've been doing this for 69 years. So I can tell you it's all about, when I want a pot of coffee and it's cold and I got to get under my poncho to get out the damn rain. So I stretch my poncho up where I can get under it and drug this baby out of my fanny pack with my coffee, my little percolator and some coffee. Nah. I got 2 quarts of canteen on my Alice rig. I'm good. I made me some coffee, shy. And then you turn into a human being. You're not just a miserable animal out in the middle of the woods in the rain. That's what sets us apart right there. Y'all say it's the fucking thumb, prehensile thumb and all that crap. It's fire, baby. Without the fire, you ain't shit. Trust me. from the woods, old Taka.